Hello everyone, this is class 6 maths video of chapter number 18 and today we will start with exercise 18b. So our question number 1 is separate the constants and the variables from each of the following. So before doing sum, we should be aware about constant and variables. As the name shows, constant is what? Constant is the term whose value doesn't change, whose value is fixed. That is called constant, na? And then variable means whose value varies with time or with situation. That is called variable, right beta? So for example, here the constant, I have told you that it's a fixed value like 5, the numeric value 5, 30, minus 6, signs will be there, minus 9, 111, these. Variable whose values changes with situation like x, y, p, q, 8x. As I think you haven't done right now how to solve equations. When you will do it, then you will understand that how these values are going to vary, because we put different values in x, y, z, vagera vagera, right? Beta, see, in this question we have to separate constants and variables. We have to write them separate, right? How we will write? Here see, 6 is a numeric value, so it's a fixed value, so it will be known as constant. So write here constant 6 comma 5 over 4, it's a numeric value, and then find 0. That's it. Next is variables. Four by minus 3x 4 over 5 xy az. And one thing more beta, many students ask me about that this line that I put on the z. It's nothing, just I write it like this by putting line over there, right? 7p, so don't get confused. So all these are the variables and these are the constants. Question number 2 is group the like terms together. So do you know what are like terms? No? Okay. I will tell you beta, we have two type of terms, like terms and unlike terms. As the name shows, the values, those are the terms, those are having same literal values. Literal means x, y, z, whatever with the numeric value, that is called, right? Those are having same literal values, that are called like terms. Those are have different literal values, that are called unlike terms. How it is? Like see here, 4x and x, both are the same, na? Don't no need to consider sign, that whatever sign is there, it's okay. X and x, so these are called like terms. And next, this is also like term. So here if I will group them according to like terms, then in the first group I will write 4x comma minus x and 2 over 3x. These three are the like terms. And the second group will be minus 3y, 4 over 5y and y. Are you getting what I am saying? The values, those have same literal values like this, as he has written, the term having the same literal coefficient and are called like terms. For example, xy, 5xy, minus 4xy. No need to consider that what is the numeric value. That can be vary, that can be different, but the literal coefficient must be same, xy, xy, xy. So these are the like terms. Like here see, x square by x square by x square by. So these are the like terms. And another is unlike terms. Obviously it will be the reverse of it, opposite of it, that those are don't have the same literal coefficients. Like 6a, 6ab, 6ac, all three are different, na? Don't see that a is common. doesn't matter. We have literal value is AB. We will take it a complete value. It's a AV, so it's a different. AC is different. See here, xy is a different literal coefficient and x square y is a different. We must have same, then we will say the like term. See, x y square. So these all values will be considered as unlike terms. So here, okay, group them according to the like terms. First is 4x, comma, minus x, comma, 2 over 3x. And the next group of like terms is minus 3y, 4 over 5y, and y. Okay. If you still have any query, beta, you can ask me. So the question number 2 is 2 over 3y minus 4yx, comma, 2yz, comma, minus 2 over 3yz, comma, minus zy over 3 and yx. So now let's find out the like terms. This is xy. Find any other term who contain xy with it. No. Yes, this one beta. Beta, see, either you multiply x with y or you multiply y with x. Both will give the same answer. For example, I am taking 5, 6. Either you multiply 5, 6, answer will be 30, or you multiply 6, 5, you will get answer 30. So doesn't matter which comes first here, because both are in multiplication. So the like terms, over 3 xy, comma, yx, and this also minus 4 yx, and then another group of like terms, 2yz, comma, minus 2 over 3 yz, comma, zy over 3. Just we have to check about the literal coefficient. What comes first, what comes later doesn't mean, right? So next is, I hope you will do next two sums by yourself, beta. I will just give the hint. See here, what are the like terms? First is AB square. Find any AB square. Yes, this one. So minus AB square, 7B square A and 2AB square are the like terms, and B square A square, then this B square A square is another group of like terms. Same we will do in next question, beta. Hope you will do complete your NB up to here. You will do the sums. Still have any query, you can ask me. Thank you.